Greetings and thanks for dropping by for the latest edition of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Wednesday, May 16, 2012. And let's start our data feed. 10 clicks gets us up to 50 times normal speed. Okay, we've got the parabolic bullish, crossovers on MACD and stochastic, so let's get long. Okay, let's pause that. We'll move the arrow to its proper place and continue on. Okay, we had a zone of resistance built up and we just broke through it. So let's take another shot on the long side. Alright, we've got a crossover on the MACD and the stochastics. We haven't quite flipped the parabolic yet, but I think that there's a real good chance that this is a top. So let's get short. Okay, stopped out. Okay, we've got the faster stochastic peaking above the slower and then turning around and starting to head back down. The MACD has remained bearish the whole time. We've got a curve on the blue moving average. The white still has a downward bias. So I would say that we have another shot at this, even though we're probably looking at some sort of corrective move. The odds are good that the price is going to come down and probably connect with the red moving average before turning back up, if that's what's going to happen. So let's get short and start up again. Nope. Taken out. And it looks like we have another opportunity perhaps to do something. So let's get short again. And we'll start another arrow. Nope, stopped out again. Okay. Let's move these arrows a little bit further out of the way here. There we go. Now, it looks like this thing's taken off to the upside now, so let's get long. That's what we would expect if this is a corrective pullback. All right, let's take the opportunity to make these arrows a little more readable. There we go. Okay, we've pulled back to the upsloping white, and now we're heading up again. Let's take another shot on the long side. Okay, let's check this out. Higher high, lower high, bearish divergence, bearish crossover, bearish parabolic, dual bearish crossover. This is a no-brainer. It is counter trend, but all the signals are there. Okay, broke above the blue. Now it's curving down again. We have a little hook on the faster stochastic. Okay, we got a little bit of a bearish hook there. Okay, let's pause that for a moment. Another short opportunity. Quickly stopped out. Alright, we're starting to make new lows here. We're up against this long-term moving average, but we've just broken through a little bit. We've got the beginnings of a crossover on the MACD, and we've got our faster stochastic breaking below the slower. So let's take a shot at the short trade once again. Really stuck at that support level there. Oop, that's what we're looking for. Okay, let's pause. Okay, we got a bullish cross on the parabolic. We've got some divergence on the MACD. I'm not sure what the count is on the Elliott wave, but we do have what appears to be a dual bullish cross on the stochastic. So let's get long. Well, that was well done. Let's see what happens here. Well, things turned around rather abruptly. I think we better turn with it. Okay, now maybe this is the bottom. We've actually got some additional divergence on the MACD. We flipped the parabolic, and we've got a bullish cross on MACD and stochastic. So let's try it again. Okay, stopped out. Okay, we're going to go down again, apparently. This is a with the trend trade, so these we certainly want to take. This was actually a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom here. Okay. We're not flipping the cross here on the stochastic. So I'm not going to take that one. I don't know. It doesn't look right. In fact, it's heading back down now. So Okay. Now, that's just a little bit before 1 o'clock on the replay clock, so I would not start another trade. Let's just run out the clock. And we had a pretty handsome return here of $2,250 on 3 contracts. And let's see how many trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's got to be an all-time high. 17-0, 22.50. See you next time, folks.